going to make a quick video on how to link this to your phone. Basically, you go home, you go to audio. Let's see. Home, audio, Bluetooth. Then it'll say, do you want to connect? Yes. And you just turn on the Bluetooth on your phone. And mine says that it's the LM-X210G. So select that. It automatically connects, and within a few seconds you should get an update on your phone saying that it's connected. So you might have to be patient with it. Then I just back out of everything, back out, and then it'll display iStream Pandora. You can actually skip songs and everything through the stereo. So that's kind of nice. And then I don't like this volume button. It's kind of hard to control. So I use the volume button on the steering wheel right here to turn it up and down. It's much better. So hopefully this helps. Please like and check out my other videos on this car.